fun tidy up. Every morning the woof-woofs do something regular. But today they all were looking for something that went missing.
Can't find it. Hey, Brush, have you seen my super dog doll? I can't find it. It's gone. Are you kidding? I don't play with your super dog, Bagel. It's not for girls. It is for little kids. Yeah, right. You took my cars to play with your friends. I remember that. That was different. Those were for the gas. To bring them to Doggy's birthday party. Okay. Take it if you need. I don't mind. But tell me now, where is it? Honestly, Bagel, I didn't take your super dog. And by the way, give me my diary back. You can't open it anyway, because I've got the key.
Good morning, dears. What's the rush you got here?
Don't worry, Mom. It's okay. Bagel says I'm the thief.
Okay, tell me what's going on.
Well, we can't find my super dog, and Brush's diary is missing. Somebody took it, but who?
That's a mystery. Okay, guys, breakfast's ready. And Grands are here. Go downstairs and tell them all about your losses.
Oh, hello, dears. What happened? Why are you so sad? I can find my new super dog. And I can find my secret diary.
And I can find the notes for my new song. Have anybody seen my notes?
Where on earth is my tablet charger?
Oh my. Sounds like we have Lusty on our hands. Lusty? Lusty. Magical creature that likes being around messy places. I think it came through the kids' room. Do you like a mess, dears?
And what we're gonna do with this, Lusty?
Well, there's an old magical ritual. But you kids should tidy up first. This is so boring. No, it's not. Especially if you play a game. While you're tidying your house. We're gonna play a game! What game, Brad? First, let's put a blindfold. Me! Blindfold me, please! Okay. Pickle, and then we will do one thing. And you will have to tell us what it is. You have 3 tries. This isn't fair! And what am I supposed to do? You should guess where the thing belongs and put it where it's supposed to be. And then we should switch. You get a plus if you guess. And if you don't, you get minus. For each plus, you get a coin. How that sounds? Woohoo!
Oh, I hope we'll find my notes.
Cool, let's do this.
And no picking.
Laser sword.
Good job, Bagel.
Come on. One last try. I know. It's the Granny's needle pad.
That's so funny. What a great game.
A washcloth in the living room.
And Bagel thought that fly sweater was a laser sword. And you couldn't guess Granny's trainer. Thought I lost it forever. How did it get here? We didn't take it. Lusty did. And it's not a trainer. It's a helmet.
Woof, woof, hey.
Lovely
yeah.
day. Harvest Festival.
Oh, here. Oh, there it is! Tussle! Our giant pumpkin is almost here! Hooray! I'm sure we're gonna win this year!
Huge, isn't it? This pumpkin doesn't joke around. I think we should make a photo. Gather round, everybody. Woof woof hey!
Holiday!
3, 2, 1, go! Ah! Come on, let's go. Uh-oh.
No!
Oh no!
Aw. We're never gonna win now.
Don't panic. I know what we should do. Get the pumpkin and bring it to the kitchen. Well, where is it? Ah, gotcha.
Huh?
This book has
Oh, wow.
a recipe for the best pumpkin pies in the world.
Oh,
That's cool. My friend gave it to me a long time ago.
Pumpkin pies? But no one will believe that we had the biggest pumpkin.
Don't worry. We'll use its rind as a tray.
And we'll show everyone our photo.
Yay! We're saved! Oh, I'm so excited!
Hey, listen! They're gonna say who won!
For the most creative and non-standard approach, the winners of this year's Harvest Festival are... the Woof Woofs!
Hooray!
Woof, woof, hey!
Lovely day!
It's a very lovely day, and the Woof Woofs are going to have a picnic. I want to catch a butterfly. I'll take a scoop net. And I bring a ball. And I've made us some tasty sandwiches.
Alright, looks like we're all set. Hop on in and let's go.
Yay! Yay!
Woof woof.
Hey!
Lovely day!
And so the Woof Woofs began their little picnic trip.
Whoop-de-doo, I'm hungry already.
I can play all day long and never get hungry. On a picnic, though, I sure like to eat a lot. Me too!
That's right. If you want to play and have fun, you must eat well.
Oh no, our food is gone.
I'm sure I saw it up here.
Oops. Maybe it fell out when we hit that bomb. What a bummer. Should we find it? Yeah. Let's go and find it.
Everyone gets into the car to go back and find the lost picnic basket.
Whoopsie, it appears we're out of petrol.
Oh my, what are we going to do? Daddy, now that meant no picnic for us. And how are we gonna get back home? We can't stay here all night, can we?
Don't worry. I will call Grandpa and he'll rescue us in no time. It looks like there's no signal out here.
I know what we should do. We should climb a little higher. Oh, that's weird. Still no signal. Maybe we should climb up a hill. There's one up there. Looks like the biggest one in the forest. Woof!
And the Woof Woofs went up the hill.
Hooray! We've got the signal!
Daddy Woof called Grandpa and asked to bring the petrol.
Looky what I found! Recognize this? It's Mommy Wolf's favorite basket, isn't it? Surely it's yours. And here's some petrol for you, all filled up.
Hooray! Hooray!